Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you've been wanting to get into axe throwing, you need to have a set of these.
I didn't know how much fun I was going to have getting throwing axes, but this three pack from REAT has really just been so awesome. I absolutely love the design on these. The colors are amazing. They are calling it a cyberpunk coating. So if you happen to miss your target in the woods, you'll be able to find these axes no problem. So if you are new to axe throwing, don't worry, you're not going to lose them. I think they are super high quality. There are 11-inch tomahawks and they are nice and sharp and so easy to throw. This is really just so much fun. We built a target right away when these came in, and we've been having such a great time. This axe is really well balanced, which is ideal for throwing. So you can have competitions with your friends and family, and it's just amazing. So whether you are throwing a little too hard and getting them in backwards like I have been, or getting them in perfectly forward, you are guaranteed to hit the target. I really appreciate too the carrying case that these come with, so you can just slip it right onto your belt and grab and throw right from there. It's really just a great activity all around. I've been having these with friends and even got my dad into throwing the axes. It's just been so much fun, and I really think that these are super high quality and I highly recommend them.
If you're looking to get into axe throwing and you want a starter set, I think this one is perfect. I love them, and that's my point of view.